Emva kweminyaka emine, inkantolo inqume ukuthi abanikazi bendawo yokucima ukoma iNyobeni likhona icala okumele babhekane nalo ngokushona kwalezi ingane. Inkantolo ithe uNdevu kuningi ayengakwenza ukusindisa impilo yezingane, kodwa ke wabeka phambili ukudayisa utshwala.
Is there anything Mr. Ndevu could not have done to save the lives of the patrons? Mr. Ndevu did none of these. What he prioritized was the sale of liquor.
Abasolwa bathi lokhu akubethusi bebesilindele isinqumo senkantolo.
Asiyothuki nandethelepha into besilindele bozawuyenza. Remember ekuqaleni kwale inquest sabekwa kwi separate bench, meaning sasingo accused already. Mna noMrs Ndevu noMrs Diko. So into ebendiyazi leba uhlehlele ezawuyenza.
Kodwa ke anizukuthi ngokwenzekileyo ndiyazisola uba mna ndinesandla ndandingekho ngalamini phaya. Akho ingxaki eyanyanza ubana ndingabikho kwaphaya ngalamini.
uNdevu umile ekutheni abazali yibona okumele bathwale icala lokushona kwezingane zabo.
Endiyajonga lena inquest. Ipurpose yalo inquest ukonasa ifeelings zabazali. Abona abantu bamoshileyo apha bayeka abantwana bamanazele esitratweni basela utywala. Basabayeka even today basela utywala esitratweni bahambe bemosha.
Abazali bathi isinqumo sisho ubulungiswa kubo.
We are happy with the court's ruling for today, because for sure what we were looking for is that somebody must be held responsible for the death of our children.
INPA ithi isinqumo senkantolo sizoyisiza ekutheni kwazi ukulungiselela icala.
As the prosecution now, this is a step forward. This is assisting us, but at the same time, we'll have now to prepare a criminal case that is different from an inquest. That criminal case then will have to be a formidable one, so that we don't disappoint these families.
Uma isinyathelo se-NPA siba impumelelo, kungenzeka abanikazi bendawo iNyobeni bethweswe amacala angu-21 okubulala. NgoNhlolanja ka-2024, uSiyakhangela noVuyokazi Ndevu bagwetshwa izinsuku eziyikhulu ejele noma inhlawulo ka-5,000 wamarandi ngokuthengisela izingane utshwala.